Cheers guys, today we're going to take a look at my newest EDC fixed blade. It's a knife I wanted to own for a little while now, but I didn't because the price was really high, or is really high, and the old version didn't necessarily scream for good value because of the poorly made sheath. I guess some of you can already guess what knife it is if you didn't already read the caption of the video. It's the Benchmade Dacian, and they came out with a new version. This is the version 2.0, and it features a new sheath which I quite like. And this is the all black variation, so black sheath and a black knife with a black blade. And I just wanted to give you a really quick overview of the knife because I've owned it for, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks now, and that's not long enough to give you a really good review of the knife. So, quick overview. The knife features a sheath made out of leather and kydex, and the retention piece of the sheath is done with the kydex. And it keeps the knife very secure, I have to say. There's no reason to be fearing it falling out. And it also doesn't hold the knife too tightly, so you can pull it out quite easily. The leather part of the sheath is made very nice. It has thick leather and is finished quite well. There's only some spots which I would consider not done perfectly, but that's not a problem. There's no option for the knife to be carried vertically. It's only possible to carry the knife horizontally on your belt, but that's not a problem for me because I carry my knives in the front of my waist on the right hand side to conceal it a little bit more. So you can carry the knife on the right hand side and the left hand side. So lefties are capable of carrying it as well. And that's all about the sheath. I'm very interested to see how it holds up. Like the connection of the kydex and the leather, because it's only riveted with 3 bolts. 3 bolts. But at the moment I don't see any reason to doubt that it's gonna survive the test of time. Okay, so let's take a look at the knife now. The knife is a full-size but small fixed blade, which I can put all of my 4 fingers around with no problem. And the blade shape is very practical. It has a little bit of belly and a lot of jimping on top, so you can put your thumb on it, you can put your index finger on it to cut more precisely. And the scales are done out of micarta. And against what I thought at first, the scales are not convex, but they're concave, which I find very interesting because I don't see that much on fixed blade knives. But it feels very nice in the hand and it keeps the knife very slim. The blade steel on this variation is Magna Cut, hardened to approximately 62, which is not very hard for Magna Cut, but it's hard enough. And Benchmade isn't known for hardening its steels very high anyway. So we'll see how it holds up and how often I have to sharpen it. But that's the short overview of the Benchmade Dacian. A really nice knife that got gifted to me by my girlfriend, and I'm very happy about it. And I'll carry it for the next month and come back around to you to give you an update on my opinion on the knife and if it's worth the money or not. Yeah. If you have a Benchmade Dacian, I'm very interested to hear if you are happy with your purchase and if you would buy it again or would recommend it to your friends. Yeah, until then, until next time, cheers guys and have a nice day.